7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
The FAA plays a vital role in commercial space launch and re-entry operations in the United States. The FAA's Office of Commercial Space Transportation, or AST, regulates the U.S. commercial space transportation industry to protect public health and safety, property, and national security, and foreign policy interests of the United States. A unique focus of AST is to encourage, facilitate, and promote the industry through education and consultation with commercial space companies, the academic community, and state and local leaders. Through AST, the FAA issues licenses or experimental permits for commercial space transportation activities, and it licenses new spaceport operations by facilitating initial designs and establishing agreements between the FAA and operators to conduct space launch and re-entry activities from specific sites. AST monitors and inspects operations to ensure launches, re-entries, and any research and development activities won't harm public health or damage public or government property. And AST ensures all FAA regulations are followed during launches and re-entries. AST also manages mishap response coordination and enforcement programs and oversees safety inspection training and certification. During launch and re-entry, AST coordinates with the FAA's Air Traffic Organization to integrate space operations into the National Airspace System. This joint effort ensures that conventional air traffic can safely operate during launch and re-entry of commercial space vehicles. In critical regulatory and policy roles, AST personnel work with other government agencies to develop policies and guidelines, assign responsibilities, and provide direction and accountability for space activities. AST also collaborates on best practices for space transportation operations. So next time you hear about a rocket lifting off or a space vehicle landing somewhere in the U.S., you'll realize the FAA has an important role in making commercial space transportation happen. And as we look to the future, AST will continue to help ensure the safety of new commercial space endeavors, such as public suborbital flights and the establishment of commercial space stations.